Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a banana like this and rig it. So let's get started. Hide this one. Take a polygon plane, scale the plane just like this. Now right click, assign new material, select Lambert, click on color checker box, Lambert color checker box, select file, click on this image file icon and I have taken this image. You can download this image from Google. This is free. Now rotate this one 90 degree along minus 90 degree along z-axis and see. I am deleting this and unhide the plane. See the procedure. Now take a polygon cylinder, go to side view, click on this X-ray icon and see. Move the cylinder just here. On channel box, subdivision caps make it 0. Scale the cylinder just like this. Subdivision height increase to 3. Move the cylinder just here. Again scale. Go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex and scale them just like this. Select this vertex, scale them slightly and move them just here. Select this vertex, scale them and move them. Go to face selection mode, select the top face, go to perspective view, select the top face, again go to side view, click extrude and extrude it just like this and move to adjust your image. Again click extrude or press Ctrl plus E on your keyboard and move them just like here. Again click extrude and move just like here. Press D or insert key on your keyboard and edit the pivot point just like this. Again press D, scale tool, scale it just like this. Again scale. Move this one just here. Again click extrude and slightly move just here and scale. Go to perspective view to see clearly. Scale it. See, scale just like this. Go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, open insert edge loop option, reset the tool, insert one edge loop here and also another edge loop here. Now again select this face, go to face selection mode, again go to side view, click extrude, move down, move this one just here, again click extrude, move down, move just like here, and scale the face. Slightly scale. Go to vertex selection mode, select these vertex, move them just here, and also select this vertex, move them here. To adjust to your image size, again go to face selection mode, press D or insert key, edit the pivot point. To edit the pivot point, again press D, scale tool, scale the face. Sorry, move this one forward, again scale, move this one here, again click extrude, and move this one here. Now go to object mode, go to perspective view and see the result. First hide your image plane. See. Again go to mesh tool, insert edge loop. Insert one edge loop here. Go to object mode. Press 3 to see the smooth shape. See. Again press 1. Insert edge loop tool. Insert one edge loop here. Another here. And also one here. Again select this face. Press D or insert key. And edit the pivot point. Again press D or insert key and slightly scale. Go to object mode. Insert edge loop tool. Insert one edge loop just here. Go to object mode. Again press 3 to see the smooth shape. See. Move this one up just here. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this one and rename this one as banana and this one as outer layer. And hide the outer layer. Select this one, right click, assign new material, select Lambert, change the Lambert color to white, just like this. Now hide this one, unhide your outer layer, right click, assign new material, select blend. On your blend color checker box, click and select file. Connect a 2D texture file. I have downloaded this banana texture from Google. You can also download this one. Now select this one. Right click, click UV, click UV shell. See, select this UV shell. Now go to UV, open UV editor. minimize the window, sorry, minimize the window, select this UV shell, now press shift on your keyboard, right click, unfold, click unfold UV, click apply. Now see the effect, see, again select this one, press F to focus and move this one just here. Again press shift on your keyboard, right click unfold, click unfold, click apply and close. Now see the effect, go to object mode and see the texture effect, see. Now select the, again select this one, close your UV editor. Go to face selection mode. Select this face, shift double click, select this face, shift double click, select this face, shift double click, this face, shift double click. As the cylinder was, go to object mode and see again clearly. The cylinder has 20 subdivision axis, so I have select 5 face selection mode, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, shift double click, deselect this face and also top face, go to edit mesh, click extract, this will extract your face, select this one, try to move and see, Ctrl G to undo, select the extracted face, press shift plus P to unparent it and move this one here. Again select, do the same for other faces. Now select this, press shift plus P to unparent them, select all, press and type translate 0 to put them their previous position, unhide your banana, and also type here 0. See, this is the end of the part 1. In my next lesson, I will show you how to rig this banana. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.